my name is Eddie Hamlin, and I'm the branch manager of the Carmel Valley Branch Library. Monterey County Free Library serves the community during emergencies, such as becoming a temporary evacuation point, and we will continue to do so in the future. But you need a good emergency plan for yourself, and part of that plan is creating a bug-out bag, which I'm going to show you how to do today. The bug-out bag I'm creating here consists of from lists from Eddy.gov and redcross.org, two sites you should check out. Remember, you don't have to build your bag all at once. You can build it in stages, but please start working on it as soon as you can. Your bug-out bag consists of 4 parts: food and water, medical, personal items, and tools. The first part of your bug-out bag is food and water. Make sure you have bottled water, and if you need more water, you can pick up a portable container and fill it up with water, or a cup. Next part is canned food. Be sure that you get cans with a pull top. If you do get cans with a solid top, make sure you have a manual can opener to open the cans. And don't forget to have a fork, knife, and spoon handy to eat your food. The next part is some comfort snacks. You want to look for hard candy, gum, snack bars, dried fruit, or crackers. Avoid things like chocolate, which will melt and make a mess of your bag, and also perishable items you don't want. The second part of your bug-out bag is medical items. You want to make sure that you have a good first aid kit, and include aspirin and Tylenol, and don't forget to have a first aid kit for your pets. Be sure that you have extra medication and prescriptions. Put copies of your prescriptions on your flash drive. Be sure you have medication for any pre-existing medical conditions you may have, like heart disease, diabetes, or asthma. Don't forget to have an extra pair of eyeglasses and an eyeglass repair kit. Also on your flash drive, have a copy of your medical insurance card. The third part of your bug-out bag is personal items. Be sure you have extra cash, credit cards, debit cards, and a photo ID in your wallet or purse. Have a deck of cards to play games, so you don't have to worry about the battery running out. Have a couple of books to keep your mind occupied. Also, be sure you have paper and a pen to take notes. Also, have personal hygiene items like a toothbrush, toothpaste, toilet paper. Think about stocking a shaving kit. Also, have some masks, because there may be debris and dust and you don't want to be breathing that in. Have rain gear, like a poncho that keeps your hands free. Umbrellas don't work very well in stormy weather. Also, have an emergency blanket to keep yourself warm, and you may want to consider having a small inflatable pillow as well. The fourth part of your bug-out bag is tools and equipment. You want to be sure you have a working flashlight and extra batteries. Also, glow sticks is a good idea. You don't want to have candles because of the danger of an open flame. Another thing you'll need is an all-purpose tool, such as a Swiss Army knife or a multi-part scissors. You also will want to have a map of the local area in case there's no power and the GPS is not working or you cannot get online. You also will need a whistle in case you need help. It's great for calling for help. You'll also need a good pair of work gloves in case there's debris blocking your escape route. You can put on your gloves and get to work on moving the debris. The next thing you'll need is duct tape and plastic sheeting. This is good in case your car window gets damaged. You can do a quick repair and get out. The fifth part of your bug-out bag is electronics. First item is a flash drive. You want to make sure that you have copies of your personal documents and your important papers on there. If you don't have a scanner or a flash drive, you can go to your local Monterey County Free Library branch and they will help you. The next thing is your cell phone. Be sure you don't leave the house without a charger for it. You can also sign up for different alerts like Alert Monterey and mobileweather.gov for more information during an emergency. The last part that you need is a battery-powered or hand-cranked or solar-powered radio. This radio here, as you can see on the back, has a hand crank and a solar panel to keep it charged, so even if the batteries go dead, you still have communications. Finally, be sure to check the contents of your bug-out bag on a regular basis, at least monthly. Make sure your batteries are fresh and your food is still in good order. And have it readily available so that when you get the order to go, you go. Remember, things can be replaced, but you can't. Uh-oh, just got the alert. I'm going. Bye.